Well, as road construction nears the end for the 2023 season, Clark County leaders concerned about damage to local Arbuckle Road.
That damage comes after IDOT closed Route 40 west of Marshall to make bridge repairs. Local leaders told our Jen Thompson that while the repairs were needed on Route 40, motorists use Arbuckle as a detour, causing the road to deteriorate.
If you've made your way between Illinois and Indiana on I-70 or Route 40 over the summer months, you may have come upon construction, even road closures. Those closures leading motorists to seek alternate routes, including Arbuckle Road in Clark County.
They had the knowledge to know that this would be the #1 detour route when they closed 40 down over the hill, and they did nothing to prevent or did nothing to help maintain this road throughout the closure.
That's Jay Cutright. He lives on Arbuckle Road.
We've always had a pretty good road here, and now we've got a mess. So I think we're fortunate somebody didn't die out here, honestly.
That mess, Dallas Richardson, Clark County engineer, says is caused by increased traffic detoured from Route 40 and I-70 construction.
Well, the traffic on Arbuckle Road went from about 150 cars a day before all of this to almost 1,500 cars a day during the project. So over that 4.5-month period, you could say that's 20,000 cars before to 200,000 cars after.
Richardson says all that traffic caused the edges and shoulders of the road to fall apart.
There are several sections that have 3 and 4 foot of shoulder that's gone, of edge of pavement that's gone. And there are several places that have 3 and 4 inch drop-offs now.
Sheriff Bill Brown agrees.
This road's been destroyed. As a byproduct of the unofficial detour, thousands of cars traversed this road over a 5-month period that would never be out here.
So there was times that it was almost bumper-to-bumper traffic on Arbuckle Road.
In early August, county leaders began meeting with IDOT and Senator Chapin Rose in regards to the damaged roadway.
In early August, we started talking to IDOT about actually doing some repairs on this road. We're still waiting on some kind of response from that. We've urged IDOT that the construction season is coming to an end for 2023, so the quicker we can make that decision, the better, because we would like to get our traveling public a safer road to ride on.
I don't think that it should be on the responsibility of the township and or the county to have to foot the entire bill to fix this road, and it has to be fixed.
While officials are grateful for IDOT's completed projects in the area, they are calling on their help to repair Arbuckle Road. Senator Rose says while he doesn't have a timeline at this point, he has started discussions with IDOT.
The local folks should be living with the consequences of that failure to plan.
Senator Rose says they'll continue talking the issue to IDOT until they get something done. Reporting in Clark County, I'm Jen Thompson.
And we reached out to IDOT for a comment and are awaiting a response. We will continue to update you as more information becomes available.